Can a felon have a normal life? Yep, 100%, absolutely can. I'm not one of them people who gets out of prison and says, "Oh, I can't do this because I'm a felon. I can't find a job because I'm a felon. Oh, I can't go here. I can't do this and I can't do that because the world's against me because I'm a felon. I got tattoos. I can't do nothing." No, you can 100% live a normal life. Now, maybe if you're on probation or something, I mean, that's a normal life. That just means you can't do things that everybody else gets to do, like you can't drink, if you can't do drugs, if you don't, I mean, but if you're on probation and you're actually trying to change, you ain't going to want to do drugs anyway. So, yeah, a felon can 100% live a normal life. What's the best compliment you received since getting out? Just how people notice how much I've changed. Like, that's the biggest accomplishment I say that's the biggest compliment I've been given is you've changed a lot since you got out of prison. And it's not like I've changed for the worse. Can't be no worse than what I was when I was out here messed up on pills and doing all kinds of grimy stuff, people. What's the worst insult? You ain't changed. People who don't know me think, oh, you ain't changed. Like I said in another video earlier, people you ain't seen in years, but since before you went to prison, and they see you after prison, and they still got that impression that you're the same guy you was before you went to prison. Have I ever wanted to quit trying? Yep. I've wanted to quit trying so many times. And the reason I get like that is because I'm a person with a good heart, care about people, try not to embarrass people. I go out of my way to make people feel comfortable. But people who are out here doing all this grimy, like true grimy stuff, like the low life liars, like I know several people who every word that comes out of their mouth is a lie. You better go check if they say it's raining. If they say the sky's blue, you better go check because they lie. Like that's how much the people I know that I've been around and seen. It's like lying is a normal thing for them. I've never been one of them people. I'd rather be quiet and not have nothing to say than have to lie to have a conversation. So it makes you want to quit trying. It's like, damn, if I'm good hearted and I'm actually a good person and I'm getting this part of life, and then this low life over here who's all strung out and lies every word that comes out of their mouth's a lie, they're living decent. It's like the good shit happens to bad people and the bad shit happens to good people. What's the one thing prison can't take from you? Who you are. Unless you get in there and you've been through some real traumatic shit, it can't take from you who you are. Only if to me, all it's done was bring out a better version of who I am, honestly, because it gave me an outlook on life. Like